Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Wattpad. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up on Wattpad application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. In order to turn on the dark mode, you'll have to access the settings. So tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the options related with settings over here. You'll be able to find the options like profile and account, notifications, reading preferences, dark mode, etc. Simply tap on the option dark mode that you can see at fourth in this interface. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find three options over here: on, off, auto. Right now auto is selected. If auto is selected in your application too, in that case what you can do is simply enable the dark mode on your mobile device itself, and the dark mode will be enabled for Wattpad too. For that, what you have to do is scroll down from the top of your screen. Now what you have to do is find the option for dark theme and tap on it. Now you can see over here the dark mode will be enabled in the application too. But if you only want to enable the dark mode for this particular application, what you have to do is tap on the on option that you can see at first. Now after that, you can see over here dark mode will be turned on. So like this, you'll be able to turn on the dark mode. So that is how you turn on dark mode on Wattpad. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.